Hello everyone and welcome to a new lecture of PHP and MySQL. Let's improve a little bit the code that we have on our project and organize a little bit the pages as well. So if we start at localhost /web project 1, we will, as by default, we will go to the index.php. So it's pretty much the same thing, right? So let me open index.php here. Okay, here we are. So as soon as we click login, we will be sent to login.php. So let's open that as well. Let's copy this line of code because we're going to post it in the login.php script. If we get an error message, so echo your password is incorrect, your email is incorrect, invalid credentials, if you're not registered, please register it, please register here. And here is going to be link userform.php, okay? So let me close this in here. Okay, cool. We can save this. We can even put this in capital letters so the user can see it well. Now, in case that you have your email incorrect, we need to go back to index.php. So what we can do here is go back to login form. And this is going to be also a link, single quotes. And this is going to be index.php, okay? Okay, so go back to login form. Now we can copy this as well and put it here. And save this. So, and this shouldn't be here because if server requested, okay, please log in and please log in. And let's do please log in here. Okay, so let's save this. Let's save it and let's go back and let's take this out. So if we don't have anything and we try to log in, invalid credentials, if you're not registered, please register here. Okay, so this will be the registration userform.php and check all current records from database. Let's take that out. So I only want the people who sign in or register it and do the login to see the current records from database. So let's take that out from there. Userform.php. So let's open userform.php and let's take this out of here. What we can do in here is go back to login form and save this. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's refresh, go back to login form. There it is, register here. Okay, so the navigation now makes more sense. If we get a wrong or we don't put anything at all and do login, invalid credentials, if you're not registered, please register. Sorry, if you're not registered, please register here. So let's create a new user, Johnny. Good. So jgood@e.com. It's a male, 30. And comments, whatever you want to put in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, submit, and we get one row is affected, everything worked fine. So let's change this to you have registered successfully. And here we can type it. This could be H3 and here H3 as well. And you have registered successfully. Please log in here. And here is going to be ahref equals index.php. And this, let's close the anchor tag. Okay, so I think we are done. Let's go back. So let's go to the login form and let's register. So Alexander, and last name is let's type Smith, email Alexander Smith, gmail.com. He's a male, 30. Okay, password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Submit. You have registered successfully. Please log in here. We click, and now let's type Alexander Smith, right? gmail.com. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and login, and we are in. Save password. Okay, welcome Alexander, you are in. So now we can see the database records. We also can delete user from database. This, we don't need this because we already can delete the user right here. Okay, so let's go to login.php, and we have the navbar included, but let's go to navbar then and take this out of here. Okay, so we don't need this. So what we can do is change my password and see database records. So let's save this. And there it is. Okay, so now we have see database records. Okay, and then I go to output and change password. And I can go back as well. So let's go to output.php. Here it is. And up in here, let's give it a title, page title. And here we can echo H3 and close H3. This is database records. And close this. So let's save it. Let's save this. Okay. We can even take this. Let's put this in the top of the page. Okay, let's take this out of here. Save this. Let's go back. Let's go back. So see database records. We don't need this for now. Let's take this ordered by name. We'll not need this because we'll be able to create later on the course a search box so you can search any name in the database. So let me just take this out of here. Where is it? Database records and order by name. Let's take this out of here. Okay, save this. Let's go back. Okay, so let's go back here. Database records, there are 4 registered users. Okay, great. And everything is working perfectly. And okay, so this login here, let's take this out as well. This is in the delete PHP. Okay, so let's take this out of here and save it. Okay, so let's go back here and refresh. Let's go back, delete, delete. Everything is working perfectly. And add it here. Let's type echo and go back to control panel. Save. And this should be the ahref equals, and this, the control panel is login.php. Okay. So now we go to the login.php, and what I'm going to do is redirect the user to another page as soon as he logs in. Okay. And you see that I already created here. You'll be redirected to the control panel in 5 seconds. So I'm going to show you a function called header in PHP, which basically redirect to another page. And you can control the seconds that you want the user to wait until it's being redirected. We type refresh colon, then 3, which is 3 seconds, and then we type semicolon and URL equals to output.php. Okay, and oh, I forgot. It should be here, and this should be the single quote here. And save this. Okay, and take this out of here. Okay, save this. So let's try and see if this works. Let's go back to web project and try to log in. Your password is incorrect. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, login. Welcome, Alexander. You'll be redirected to the control panel in 3 seconds. And there it is. So instead of this, let's type control panel there and output.php. So here, control panel. Great. Let's go back and here, refresh, control panel, see database records, change your password. Okay. And change password. Okay, let's go back. And I think this is a lot easier for the user. So basically, type login, password is incorrect, go back to login form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, login. Welcome, Alexander. You'll be redirected to the control panel 3 seconds. And there it is. Instead of 3 seconds, let's put maybe 5. So it's going to be a little bit 5 seconds. You'll be there to the control panel in 5 seconds. Okay, great. Let's go back one more time. So let's go out of here. Okay, and yes, log in. Welcome, Alexander. You'll be ready to control panel in 5 seconds. And there it is. Okay, awesome. So now you know how to redirect also users from one page to another after they do some action. Okay, we will still learn how to use sessions in the future so we can log in and log out our web app. And that's it for now. See you guys later. Bye.